The Indian Rice Company is on a mission to embrace life in all its flavors. Which leads us to explore our impacts on people and the planet. So we pour our love and energy into producing the perfect rice from paddy to plate. And we, SK Export, serving the highest quality aromatic Indian authentic basmati rice to the world. Over 18 years. SK Exports is a reputed basmati rice exporter and miller from India who delivers authentic rice with a delicious taste that is non-glutinous on the surface and is easy to digest. No preservatives are used at the cultivation time. We serve pesticide-free basmati rice to ensure excellence from fields to your plates. It retains precise moisture and soft texture after cooking. SK Exports is certified by Kosher, GMP, HACCP, Halal, FSSAI and APEDA. We have high-tech infrastructure, state-of-the-art rice mill and warehousing with different milling processes like cleaning, hulling, milling, polishing, sorting, grading and packaging. Our warehouse is entirely free from microorganisms and has a germ-free environment. Our latest machinery is from the well-known company, that is from Satake and Buller, which correctly processed our rice. Our company provides moisture-proof bags to retain their freshness and fragrance for a longer time. The packaging team enhances the functionality precisely and serves the quality product in the jute bags, non-woven bags, plastic bags and plastic jars to the customers. We believe in the pure form of transition from paddy to rice. So we check all the quality parameters and deliver the most refined grain to the customers. Our rice is authentic in raw as well as the cooked state. The professional checks the grain quality very precisely before packaging. The highly equipped laboratory examines each grain to offer the best for consumption. Today, we are proud to export over more than 20 countries worldwide. We export to many countries like Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Turkey, Germany, Algeria, etc. with supreme quality.
SK Exports has been delivering finest quality rice from last 18 years. We have set a benchmark for others in terms of quality and services. I thoroughly admire and appreciate SK team's determination and quality consistency. Our customers here know the taste and purity of basmati rice and they love the way we work.
We offer a diverse range of raw, steam, golden cellar and white cellar. Our well-equipped rice mill with a production capacity of 400 tons per day and our excellent 20,000 to 25,000 metric ton of storage facilities allow us to stock our products in high quantities and under hygienic conditions, which further helps in the timely delivery of consignments. SK Exports participate in major exhibitions like Gulf Food Dubai, Anuga, Germany, Saudi Riyadh, World Food Istanbul, Oman Agro Food, Sial, Abu Dhabi. SK Exports is trustworthy Indian basmati and non-basmati rice exporters and manufacturer. Our company has crossed many hurdles to reach our valuable clients to serve purity and authenticity in our rice grains.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا إخواني الكرام. ازدهار كل تجارة على الصدق والوفاء مع عملائي، ونحن دائما نعتمد على ثقة عملائنا. وشركة SK للاستيراد والتصدير في الهند تعتمد على العلاقة التجارية الدولية الصحية مع مشترين في أنحاء العالم.
We always care for our clients' health and serve whatever suits them best.